Afternoon, dear students. Today we are discuss correlation with the help of shortcut method. Dear students, yesterday we had been discuss direct method of correlation. So in direct method, when we find the correlation, so first of all we will find actual mean and after that take deviation with actual mean. But in shortcut method, we take the deviation with assuming. In the both series, assuming and after that we will take deviation and find easily correlation. Clear beta? See the formula. Correlation with the shortcut method. Clear beta? 13 है ना ये? Correlation with shortcut method. First of all, dear students, formula R is equal to summation dx dy minus summation dx into summation dy divided by n divided under root summation dx square minus summation dx whole square divided by n into under root summation dy square minus summation dy whole square divided by n. So dear students, that's your question is given X series 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 or 20, and that's your Y series, and Y series given is 30, 29, again 29, 25, 24, 24, 24, 21, 18 and 15. So dear students, first of all we will assume any one A and after that take deviation dx x minus A. Clear beta? So 11 minus 15 is equal to minus 4. 12 minus 15 is equal to minus 3. 13 minus 15 is equal to minus 2. 14 minus 15 is equal to minus 1. 15 minus 15 is equal to 0. 16 minus 15 is equal to plus 1. 17 minus 15 is equal to plus 2. 18 minus 15 is equal to plus 3. 19 minus 15 is equal to plus 4. 20 minus 15 is equal to plus 5. After that we will find out dx square. That's your 4 4 is 16, 3 3 is 9, 2 2 is 4, 1 0 1 4 9 16, 5 5 is 25. That's your summation dx. 5 4 9, 5 5 10 or 5 15 positive, 5 or 5 10 negative, so positive 5. That's your 9 10 20 30 40 45. summation dx square is equal to 5 4 carry 5 6 7 8 85. Same as anyone assumed a, and after that find out dy. The formula y minus a, 30 minus 24 is equal to plus 6, 29 minus 24 is equal to plus 5, 29 minus 24 is equal to plus 5, 25 minus 24 is equal to plus 1, 24 minus 24 is equal to 0, 24 minus 24 is equal to 0, 24 minus 24 is equal to 0, 21 minus 24 is equal to minus 3, 18 minus 24 is equal to minus 6, 15 minus 24 is equal to minus 9. So that's your summation dy is equal to 9 6 15 16 17 18 minus and 5 5 10 6 16 or 1 17 plus. So that's your minus 1. After that we will find out dy square. 6 6 are 36, 5 5 are 25, 5 5 are 25, 1 0 0 0, 3 3 are 9, 6 6 are 36, 9 9 is 81. That's your summation dy square is equal to 213. After that we will find out dx dy. So that's your dx and that's your dy. 6 4 are 24 and plus minus minus, 5 3 are 15 plus minus minus, 5 2 are 10 plus minus minus, 1 1 are 1 plus minus minus. That's 0 0 0. 3 3 are 9 plus minus minus, 6 4 are 24 plus minus minus, और 9 5 are 45 plus minus minus. That's your summation dx dy is equal to 5 4 9 1 10 10 20 23 5 28, 2 carry 2 2 4 1 5 1 6 7 8 or 8 4 12, minus 120 minus 128. Clear beta? Minus 128. After that we will apply the formula r is equal to summation dx dy minus summation dx into summation dy or divided by n under root summation dx square minus summation dx whole square divided by n into under root summation dy square minus summation dy whole square divided by n. Clear beta? We will put the values on the formula. R is equal to summation dx dy, that's your minus 128 minus summation dx that's minus 10. Summation dx that's a 5. Summation dx positive 5 into summation dy, that's your summation dy minus 1, divided by n, total number of item, that's your 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So n is equal to 10, divided by under root summation dx square 85 minus dx 5 whole square and 10 into under root summation dy square 213 minus 1 summation dy minus 1 whole square divided by n 10. R is equal to minus 128 plus 5 1 ja 5 negative 0.50 and 10 5 are 50 plus 0.5 divided by under root 85 minus 5 5 are 25, 25 divided by 10 will be equal to 2.5 into under root 213 minus 1 1 ja 1 0.10 or that's over 0.1. So R is equal to minus 128 plus 0.5 divided by under root 85 minus 2.5 82.5 into 213 minus 0.1 212.9. So R is equal to minus 127.5 divided by multiply and after that find under root will be equal to 132.53. So R is equal to minus 0.96. That's your answer. Clear beta? So dear students, in the question given is 2x and y series, anyone assumed to take deviation and that's your summation dx. After that we will find dx square and that's your summation dx square. Same as anyone assumed a, after that take deviation dy and that's your summation dy minus 1. After that we will find out dy square and that's a summation dy square. After that dx multiply with dy and that's your dx dy and that's your summation dx dy. After that you will apply the formula, whole values put in the formula and calculate it, that's your answer will be find out. Clear beta? So dear students, we will prepare correlation with shortcut method. I am sending some questions to you and you will prepare, dear students, the all questions in a proper way, and if you have any doubt then you will discuss with me, and you will prepare also mean mode median because your exam will conduct 18/5/2020. So the question paper will be objective type. So you will prepare properly. Thank you very much, beta.